Eid al-Azha special, oil-free goat paya recipe. I'm excited to share my super easy and delicious goat paya recipe. That's completely oil-free or ghee-free. You can use the same recipe for cow or sheep paya, just adjust the spices accordingly. These melt-in-your-mouth paya are a game changer. And your family and guests will love them. Plus, it's a healthy option. Let's make it. Bismillah. 1.5 kilograms roasted and cleaned goat paya, cut into pieces, good for 6 to 8 people. Read description below for instructions about cleaning paya. In a pressure cooker or big pot, add paya. 1 cup roughly chopped onions. 4 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, I use frozen cubes for convenience. 2 tablespoons green chili paste. 1 tablespoon of sabit garam masala, 1 or 2 bay leaves, 1 small stick of cinnamon, a few black peppers, a few cloves, a few green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, a pinch of shazira, and a pinch of cumin seeds. Can be added to a tea infuser. And spices, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed black peppers, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Dry roast for a few minutes. Note, you can always adjust the spices according to your preference, specifically chili and salt. Add 5 cups of water, or more if not using a pressure cooker. Mix, cover, and cook according to your pressure cooker instructions. About 1 hour on medium-low heat, or 3 to 5 hours in a regular pot. After paya skin is tender enough, remove the sabit garam masala, or tea infuser if used that. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Mix and add 5 cups of water. Cook for another hour on low heat or until the desired consistency is reached, and natural animal fat comes on top. As you can see without adding any oil how much fat naturally released from paya. And all the raw onions also completely dissolves. Garnish with lemon juice, chopped minced cilantro, and julienne ginger. Serve hot with tandoori naan or bread. I'm serving with homemade tandoori naan. Get the full recipe of tandoori naan video link in the description below. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe for upcoming recipes. The more you share, the more frequently I'll upload new recipes, inshallah. Happy Eid Mubarak. Thanks for watching.